1 vegetable pasta. Ingredients: whole wheat pasta, diced vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, tomato sauce, olive oil, grated cheese. Instructions: cook pasta as directed. Sauté veggies in olive oil until slightly tender. Mix in tomato sauce. Toss pasta in the sauce, add grated cheese on top. 2 fruit smoothie. Ingredients: frozen mixed berries, banana, yogurt, spinach, optional, honey, optional, milk or juice. Instructions: blend frozen berries, banana, yogurt, spinach, honey, and liquid until smooth. Adjust consistency with more liquid if needed. 3 homemade pizza. Ingredients: whole wheat pita bread or dough, tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, diced vegetables, lean protein, chicken, turkey, herbs. Instructions: spread sauce on the pita bread, dough. Sprinkle cheese, add veggies, and protein. Bake until cheese melts and crust is crispy. 4. Veggie quesadillas. Ingredients: whole grain tortillas, shredded cheese, diced vegetables, bell peppers, onions, zucchini, black beans, optional, avocado, optional, salsa. Instructions: layer cheese, veggies, beans, and avocado between tortillas. Cook in a skillet until cheese melts. Serve with salsa. 5 baked chicken tenders. Ingredients: chicken tenders, strips, whole wheat breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, paprika, olive oil. Instructions: coat chicken with a mix of breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and paprika. Bake until golden and crispy. 6 fruit kebabs. Ingredients: assorted fruits, strawberries, pineapple chunks, grapes, melon, wooden skewers. Instructions: thread fruits onto skewers in colorful patterns. Serve as is or with yogurt for dipping. 7 banana oat cookies. Ingredients: mashed bananas, rolled oats, cinnamon, raisins or dark chocolate chips, optional. Instructions: mix mashed bananas, oats, cinnamon, and raisins, chocolate chips. Form into cookies on a baking sheet. Bake until golden. These recipes offer a good mix of nutrients and flavors that can appeal to kids while keeping the meals wholesome. Feel free to adjust ingredients to suit individual tastes and dietary preferences.